Mr. Mahama's speech on NDC Professionals Forum on state of the economy is not anything new. Every opposition party knows better economy when they are in opposition. Yawedu Silva Kona Mateyeko. Yesterday I was watching cartoon with my kids and my prayer came to pass. At least appearance fee may create some jobs for the youth. Let me continue supporting my Kotoko. Fight a go watch it. And on the bay. I say McJerry's fight a go watch it. Belonging to the McJerry's family, but that's it. If President Akufo-Addo said delay in MMDC nomination hasn't slowed development, then he shouldn't appoint them again, so that development can keep speeding with the same pace. Abladi Efiakoma Zongo Takra. Teacher Kujo Tiobadama Denta say, I'll say Ghana is likely to have Akufo-Addo leading the fight against COVID-19 pandemic. The impact would have been worse if Mahama was president. The NDC has shown time without number that they are not an option when it comes to the governance system of this country. Thank you. We say it is time the corruption, the incompetent, and visionless former President John Dramani Mahama stop disgracing himself, because under your watch, the Ghanaian economy was in tatters. Watching Edifie Denmark. Sule Sunyani KTK. Also, President Akufo-Addo's led government is determined and focused on delivering their mandate and will not allow the propaganda and lies by members of the NDC to distract them from their good intentions to transform the country's economy through pragmatic measures. Sule Sunyani KTK. We say salam alaikum. John Mahama, you are more better than somebody. God bless you. Isa Edifin Samom Zango. Yahuza Edifin also former President John Mahama has the guts to cause something economic mismanagement. You couldn't manage common doom so and ended us at IMF under the extended credit facility, and today you say what? We Yahuza Edifin. We say somebody should advise Nanado to stop batting and enjoying in the sky and think about his citizens, especially the youth. If not, the unfortunate thing which has happened in Guinea to president can equally happen here. Mesha Kasante, Masa Munya said the rule in a mobono and yard papa. And yard papa, dear, I see Guinea no. Yakasi ku and yard papa. Say, Abamu unko ya, Yabokwa yede faso. Inti Amunya. The Sigin in Amopese and the BBC Yano. You call lockdown, cry, you soon lockdown 3 weeks. A month for KK, Monty, okay, cool, I win him. You don't know what you are talking about. Osemi Kejakum MPP chairman Kabul Afghanistan, I said, did Mahama hear himself while talking? Agonaba MP from Kaswadam, and I say, I sometimes laugh. When ex-president Mahama is talking, he speaks as if he is in his small world. Sometimes he doesn't feel that shame. Agenda 111 is a done deal. Agunaba, that's sin. Abraham was again talented in Sahoma Center across McJ. Did I hear talkative John Mahama preaching about Ghana's economy? I tell Mr. Mahama that we are not having a short memories of the mess that he created. We Abraham was again talented. Esu kwa unte so say, hey, man penyen dada John Mahama. Aya kano kre kakra. Piti mabere won call say, hey JM. Is this the same JM who was president some times ago? Or this one the or you're born again JM? Inti piti na be same. We say tetel de Frisunyani apaso. Or say Ghanaians still remember how the country was being ruled under PNDC and DC. Our freedom were curtailed. Today, they are the same people shouting about the culture of silence. Tete Sunyane. Teacher Constitution, you must also say, why do JDM always want to invite trouble for himself? What at all did former president do for Ghanaians when he was the president? We also Chiambi Vincent Cancer Buetu, but as a teacher. We say good morning, fellow Ghanaians. Mr. Mahama and the National Executive's political ambition in 2024 is to destroy Nanado, Dr. Baumia good governance. And then But Mahama and NDC administration was worse in terms of corruption, insecurity, and others. They should keep mute. Erikus, yeah, my fear anymore, fear prayer. Robbie Fashion at the Fredy Champs in Golden Hotel. Also, Mr. John Mahama and NDC think they are skillful in misleading Ghanaians with their cheap propaganda. Say no to NDC come 2024. Well, it's a good morning, sir. I don't think ECOWAS and African Union knows better because they are all politicians. Fix the country is going on in Ghana. Do ECOWAS think it is for fun? Right, said the Free Belgium. And on should be saying, where you say, Sometimes former President John Dramani Mahama doesn't seem to amaze me. What is he talking about? Political maturity and statesmanship? When did he realize that if he has nothing to say, he better keep quiet? Yo, Osankide, Taifa. Amisko Speleleka, Swa. Also, no one can dispute the fact that ex-President JM is never an option to move Ghana forward. MPP is better than NDC in terms of social interventions. Also, Chia Honorable Mavis our concern. OPK, Gosso. NDC and naysayers, and they always think evil about Nanado and MPP good governance. But the alternative is scary because they always take us back when they are in government. So never again for these NDC gurus. Thank you, also, Nanabini Adiochiamom. We saw Siadia, your His Excellency Dana Adwe Jumawura Yuko. Dr. Baumia will break the 8 in 2024. Co-mensa Eddie Free, Tommy Pileto. Was a great job, McJerry. Mukaila Jonah said, yeah, I say I've now seen that John Mahama is a failure and a hypocrite. What moral grounds has he to criticize the economic performance? No one is justifying that. We aren't good. We aren't going through some hardship, but Mr. Mahama should rather be ashamed of himself and apologize to Ghanaians. Thank you. And come on first, Eddie Frachima, you'll be inside BNE. I'll say throughout the COVID era, God has been so merciful to us. It is very sad for some people to use the National Cathedral for politics. Very bad. Thank you. Teacher Kujo Eddie Free Tepen in the Susu. Also, ex-President Mahama was serious when he said Ghanaians have short memories. Otherwise, how can this man have the impudence to chastise Nanado's government of corruption and economic mismanagement? Also, Chia, NADMO director. Boshaba Mr. Also, Zongo. Also, the MPP government is far better than the NDC in terms of national development. Thank you. Also, Ivan Sopoko Baby, mad regards to you. Opinionate Edificaswa. Also, former President John Mahama should prepare for his third defeat and stop pretending to be saint when he is not. His abysmal performance during his time in office is in the open. We, opinionate also how I come sin. Mustafa Lowa Menya Krobo. I said this Nanado Dr. Baumia government is the most impotent government ever. Abandoning